Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayi and I share quick, easy and healthy recipes on this channel. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for your continuous support. If you're new here, you are very welcome. If you like to get my notifications when I upload a new video, kindly subscribe so you can be notified. In today's video, I'm going to share one of my favorite smoothies with you. I call it green smoothie. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going in first with the oats. I love oats. They're very rich in carbs and fiber, but also higher in protein and fat. The next one is going to be kale. Apart from the rich green color it's going to give to the smoothie, kale has so many health benefits that you can research for yourself. Please drop some in the comment section for me as well. And I added some strawberries as well sometime in my smoothies because they are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and also it helps reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. But again, please feel free to drop in the comment section any health benefits that you know of when it comes to strawberries. And then I added yogurt followed by a piece of unpeeled ginger, blueberries. I love blueberries in my smoothies. They may help prevent heart disease, regulate blood sugar, maintain eye health. So any other health benefits of blueberries that you know of, please drop that in the comment section. And now I'm going in with dates. I love dates. They are very nutritious, high in fiber, high in disease fighting antioxidants. They may promote brain health, natural labor, and the best natural sweetener, I would say. I just love dates. Let me know which sweetener is your favorite. I'm going in now with one banana and then my protein powder with some almond milk, and then I'll blend everything nicely. Some people might be allergic to maybe the dates or other ingredients I use here. Always make sure whatever you're using, you are not allergic to it first before incorporating it into your diet. And now it's time to give it a good blend. And as you can see, our green smoothie is so ready, very creamy and inviting. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on top of it, and after that I can enjoy my smoothie. What is your favorite topping on your smoothies? Make sure you let me know as well. I love sesame seeds, so sometimes I use the black one or the white one. Now the smoothie is ready and I'm going to just have some and I'll let you know exactly what I think. It's so creamy, very delicious and very refreshing. And when I have this smoothie around 10:30, 11ish, it'll keep me full for 4 to 5 hours. So that's how good this smoothie is. I hope it's something you're going to also try and let me know what you think. And of course, if it's your first time coming across my channel and you love my content, kindly subscribe and also share my videos with family and friends to help me grow this channel. If you like to see more delicious recipes, make sure you check my playlist and then you can try those different recipes I already uploaded. And what I love the most is when you comment and let me know exactly what you like about the recipes, and I would love to hear from you as well, the different recipes that you would love me to drop here as well. And I love my African dishes, and there are some great recipes that you can also try for yourself. If you are not following me on Instagram, kindly follow Kayi's Corner on Instagram, subscribe as well, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked today's smoothie. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.